Hello guys and welcome to my channel. I am Tofi and for today's video, I'm gonna have my own review of the most trending and most popular coffee machine today, ang Coffee ko. So kung nagpabulol ka sa mga nauso like air fryer, ice maker, aircon at vacuum o kung ano-ano pa, watch this video and add to cart at your own risk. The Freshman Capsule Espresso machine can be found into different shops online. Pero ang pinakasikat sa mga ito ay ang Shoppee at Lazada. It comes in different packages ranging from 2,999 up to 3,939 pesos. Pinili ko yung pinakamahal na package. Why? Ang thinking ko kasi, kapag yun yung pinili ko, kumpleto na and nandoon na lahat ng kailangan ko. But, just a gentle reminder, pwede kayo maghanap ng different sites na nag-o-offer ng product na to and look for discount codes or voucher kasi yung sa akin, nabili ko siya for 3,500 pesos only tapos free shipping pa. So, ano nga ba yung laman ng package na binili natin? Kasama dito yung freshman machine, may free frother, tapos may 4 boxes of coffee capsules, 10 pieces per box, and 4 different flavors. Of course, may kasama din niyang manual. So this will be our guide on how to use the coffee machine. Pero for sure, di nyo naman yan babasahin eh. The machine has 4 different colors. Mayroong white, red, orange at black. But I decided to buy black kasi simple, madali i-partner sa ibang colors, elegante at hindi dumihin. The machine also has a compartment kung saan dito malalaglag yung mga used capsules. It comes also with water tank. Di ko lang alam kung gaano kadaming ml yung pwede mong ilagay. And also, meron din itong tray na sasalo sa excess na liquid. Sa ibabaw na part ng machine ay may 3 buttons, pero hindi siya napipindot. Parang small, medium, or large. Depende kasi siya sa kung gaano ka-strong yung gusto mong maging lasa ng coffee mo. One of the advantages na nakikita ko sa the Freshman coffee machine ay yung size nito. Kasi maliit lang siya and it won't take a lot of space kung saan mo man siya ilalagay. Also, user-friendly kasi madali siya gamitin and madali maintindihan. I think bagay ito sa mga taong minimalist. Pwede rin siya sa mga students na nagre-research or sa mga kagaya kong workers na palaging OTY. Joke! For the capsules, meron tayong 4 different flavors. Meron tayong Americano, which is the pink capsule, Cappuccino, which is the gray capsule, Latte, which is the orange capsule, and the Mocha, which is the blue capsule. So, the 4 different flavors depending on the day kung anong gusto mong gamitin. So, kagaya nga ng goal ni Coffee, you can be your own barista for today. Pero kung hindi ka pa sure na bilihin yung 4 na boxes with 10 pieces, pwede mo naman bilihin yung discovery kit nila na merong 4 different flavors in 1 box. So, that's 1 capsule per flavor. Now that I have explained everything, I hope that I was able to enlighten you if this item is must-have or not. I can now make my own coffee at the convenience and comfort of my own home. Please always remember that there is no limit on how you will prepare your own coffee. Hashtag be your own barista today. I hope you're well. Ingat kayo and God bless. Please also like, comment, and share this video if na-enjoy nyo, and share your thoughts by commenting below. See you also on my upcoming videos. Bye!